Tom here, Flip Anything USA. So I've got a really great guest here. Special to me, especially because he's in my mentorship and he's made a lot of money. And this is Josh. Josh, thanks for being on the show.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. So Josh here, like me, has made a lot of money in land in a fairly short amount of time. And he's, of course, he's in love with it and continues to do it. What would you say to anybody that is considering getting into the mentorship?
Well, I would say if they're considering, the premise of why they're considering is because they want a change in their life, and that change is they want money. Basically, they want to change their financial position, and you got to do something, make a choice, take action. And for me, all I can speak on is my experience. And I mean, it's changed my life reading the book, enjoying the mentorship, and having proximity to you. And there's things that you can't really actually convey that are a benefit, like other people and yourself rubbing off on me. And so when I'm in a conversation, I've heard you talk about so many deals that I'll find myself, I found my own style now, but in the beginning, like really mirroring some of your dispositions.
Right. Absolutely.
And it
Like
just
you got
adds
to trust
confidence.
yourself and and
Yeah.
and and understand that you're unique in the way that you are, and your personality, if that comes into effect, or even the way that you strategize. Just a ballpark. How much money do you think you've made now since you've been in the mentorship, just on land and profit and equity? An
Yeah,
idea.
straight up from real estate, everything cash and notes, and close to 1 million. But that's with, like, people owe me notes, right? It's a
Sure.
10-year amortized thing with
You'll develop your own techniques, and but the main thing is get you rolling, right?
exactly.
And
Yeah.
then you begin to trust yourself. When you see the success of another student, and that's what matters. It doesn't matter how much money I've made. I can brag about it all day. But the bottom line is it's that the mentorship works, right?
Oh, absolutely. And it's funny, you mentioned doesn't matter how much money you've made versus we're all on our own path.
Right.
And it's just interesting, like, I think at the core, it just for me matters to be free. Like, I don't need, I think, and that's why another reason why I'm attracted and have been attracted to your mentorship is you still have a blue collar vibe.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
you're still a working man at heart, and is what I get. And in that, I'm saying you don't, how to put it, like, you would rather be rich than appear to be rich.
Care about
And
looking good. I care about feeling good. And
exactly.
money and security makes me feel good. And fortunately for me, and maybe like you, and I already know this is true for you, a lot of people, they love cars, they love watches. A lot of the fake gurus love those two things, because I think it's a way of distracting from what they don't know, which is real estate. When you're a real estate investor, you love real estate. You can look out at 10 acres of land, and it's like washing your Lamborghini. In fact, it might be worth 10 Lamborghinis. That's the thing. And
Yep.
so that's why I say it doesn't matter if I'm looking at an ugly old building, or a beautiful new office or building or whatever. Maybe I even built it sometimes. You know, that's my cars. That's my collection. My collection, and they're all different models. Like I say, it can be dirt. It could be a mobile home or a trailer park. It could be a food park. It could be any number of things that I've owned. I love every one of them because it's what they bring. They bring security and income, right? I mean, that's just how it is. Yeah.
That's exactly it. Yeah.
So look, just like Josh here, if you're a young man, young woman, maybe you got nothing, or maybe you got 100,000 or 10 or 20 or $1 million, it doesn't matter. I can show you how to begin with nothing, make a little money. Maybe you'll need a partner. Maybe you have to split your profits in the beginning. Then we'll get you to where you're actually making money all on your own, keeping all the profit to yourself, and then building in bigger, better. I'm sitting in property right now. I paid $500,000 for this. It's worth twice that. I got two others I bought for under 200,000-300,000 just recently. I'll make 100 grand on those, and others that I'll make over $1 million on. Just signed another contract today on a 10,000 square foot warehouse. Get in the mentorship. You're not going to learn anything unless you sign up, and there's no obligation. It's free. You can talk to me for free. So go to the links below, webinar, mentoring survey, and get the book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. Thanks for watching.